Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a data model and how to create and manage relationships using Power BI Desktop. First of all, I have to mention that our data source, it's an Excel file. It's representing an HR solutions as you can see here. It's containing 3 tables. So let's start with loading the data or importing the data into the Power BI desktop. So let's click in import data from Excel. Choose the location of the file, which is this one, and selecting our Excel file. So in the navigator, we will choose the sheets or the tables that we are going to work with in Excel files. In this case, I'm going to choose all of it, and I'm going to click on transform data. So I'm going to make some changes on our data. It opens the Power Query. First of all, I'm going to see the code employees. It shows us all the data. I'm going to unselect the null value. I don't need it. In the data employee, I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to see if all the data types are good or suitable to which I'm choosing. Here I see the start date of work, which is normally should be a date. It's here, it's a whole number. So I'm going to choose date. So replace the current one. And here we go. The boss employee. I'm going to unselect the null value. Close and apply. Let's wait a little bit to apply the query changes. So, uh, so as you can see here, changes have been applied with success. Just let me save our work first of all. HR solution. That's the name of our Power BI report. Let's save this. Okay. So let's start with design the data model. So as you can see here, the relationships and the model have been detected automatically from the Power BI desktop. So I don't want this. I'm going to delete to see by yourself how to create our data model and how to create and manage relationships. So let's move this up. So the data employees, let's click manage relationships. Let's create a new one. I have to mention, if I click on auto detect, it will show us the relationships that already created in automatically from the Power BI. So let's click on new. Let's choose data employees. Sorry, data employees. Let's click on code employees. I see here null values. Uh, I have to make sure that there are no null values. Just give me seconds. We have to unselect the null values. So now everything is okay. Okay, so let's restart managing relationships. Click on new. So data employees, I'm going to select code employee, which is the primary key for data employees. The boss employees, it's a code employee. As you can see here, it generates the coordinality one-to-one, which is inner join, and it generates the cross filter direction. You can choose between both and single. Let's see here what is the difference between cross filter direction both or single. Just give me seconds, please. So data can be filtered on one or both sides of relationship. With a single cross filter direction, only one table in a relationship can be used to filter the data. For instance, table 1 can be filtered by table 2, but table 2 cannot be filtered by table 1. For a one-to-many or many-to-one relationship, the cross-filter direction will be from the one side, meaning that the filtering will occur in the table that has unique values. With the both cross-filter direction or bidirectional cross-filtering, one table in a relationship can be used to filter the other. For instance, a dimension table can be filtered through the fact table, and the fact tables can be filtered through the dimension table. You might have lower performance when using bidirectional cross-filtering with many-to-many relationships. A word of caution regarding bidirectional cross filter. You should not enable bidirectional cross filtering relationship unless you fully understand the ramifications to doing so. Enabling it can lead to ambiguity, oversampling, unexpected relation, and potential performance degradation. So let's return to this one. Let's click OK, close, and here we go. We have a relationship created between the data employees and the post employees tables. Let's manage another relationships between the data employees and the salary employees, one to one, and it's single. Many to one. It generates many to one. As you can see, we can have only one code employee in the data employee, but we can have many of this code employee in the salary employee. So as you can see here, we we design a data model and we manage relationships using Power BI desktop. In the next video, I'm going to use this data model to create an HR solutions using those fields, and I'm going to create tables, matrix, slicers, filters, etc. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you can see our next video. Just please like this video and share it everywhere, and see you in next videos.